YouTubers!
Welcome to Dusty World.
Yeah.
Today we really want to clean the hamster house.
The hamster house berbusuk. We bought one male and female hamster.
Yes.
Now we have
Baby.
babies and total is
It's
eight.
Eight. Yeah.
Oh, and become more and
And what is double.
ya, kita beli sepasang. Sekarang dah jadi bertambah 8 ekor dan ada juga yang dah mati. Bayangkan kalau tak mati lagi. So hari ni kita nak cuci rumah hamster kita. Dah bau busuk. Okay, but I don't want to.
Wait. I could stay here.
What do you want to do?
Wait, stop. Wait, hold on. Hold on a second. Wait, and baby. Guess what? What is that? Oh, no, try again. What is that? Oh, no. Wait, what is that? Yeah, there you go.
So, kita transfer masuk kotak dan nak cuci yang ini. So we're going to remove and we put here. So Zachary already transfer how many? How many of them?
It's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Whoa, they make they're biting the styrofoam. Oh,
Yes.
Can you see? We cannot put too long or else they will eat us. Okay. We have to put the put down to put the styrofoam out. We should remove it in the first time. Oh, now. Oh, okay. We get more outside. We have 3 more. Come on.
Where you go? Where is it? There it is.
Slowly.
Go inside it.
Oh, you got it.
There is a female.
Oh, okay.
I got female.
Yeah. Later you show them, Papa, when you got it. Come on, out.
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 Wait. Escape. Wait. Hold on.
Oh.
Wait, what's that? Let me see. I think he's inside the.
Can you remove the house? Or how? No.
Remove.
Where is it now? How many more?
He's
The small one here. Come on, out.
7, 8, 8.
Hurry up. How we can get them out? Papa, please help.
Hurry up.
Oh.
Come. Papa. Hurry up. And I almost forgot. This is my favorite video. I call it Ryan's first video. Hey, look at the Ryan sits. Yeah. And you can see a person. And I'm looking. You see, this is same. And there's the same with my friend right now.
Now, what we put? Place the. Oh my God. The wood place. Okay. Okay. Break it. This wood we have to make. Okay, now what we do? The frame, the house. Open the white one. The other side. We go and add the food. Here corns. What else is there? See? The food. Okay, we'll place it inside. Later, we'll bring them. Okay. Put them. Put in this corner. Okay, pick up. Which one you put? The big one or the baby first? Baby. Okay.
Okay, we have a baby. Oh no.
Oh. You run away.
Oh, this one here. I see he's stuck. Nope.
Okay, take any one else again. Which one you can catch
This
first?
one.
Okay. Okay. Oh, the hairy one. Okay. 1. Oh, shoot the papa, the cute one. You have a name?
Just a baby.
Only baby. Okay. So this number 2. Okay, don't be scared.
What is that? I know I'm cute. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. I'm not killer. It's just...
Okay. And how many?
Oh, this is a new one.
Don't be scared, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, this is the smallest.
Yes.
Show the pop. The
But
smallest.
that's not small. It's just that's not small. That's just a small.
Show the fish.
Just a small.
The small. No more baby.
Not smallest.
Okay.
Smallest he becomes the smallest he becomes without the plates.
Without the hair.
Yes.
Oh.
Of this baby, it's very tiny.
Okay. Buster, I'm scared. Very scared. Oh, the big one. Is this the mother or father?
No, it's male.
Male.
It's just male. Oh, there's just a female.
Oh, another foot. They're fighting. One is not enough. Okay.
Okay, and
So we have cleaned up the hamster house. You think?
it's just I found you saw the Zachary is my favorite video. It's called Hamster.
So the 2 papa, the mother, the female and male, 2 and the new 6
Babies.
babies
Yes. It's 2 or 3 become young.
become young.
And then put that out.
Oh, okay. Later when they have the little baby, we can show you.
Yeah. And okay, that's up. Look at me.
Hey, coming.
Up, shoot, up. Cannot see.
Darling, are you looking at him? Okay.
Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye. And I'm watching the new episode.
What is it?
It's Crazy and Lemmings.
Crazy and Lemmings, you're watching the new episode.
Crazy and Lemmings. Crazy and Lemmings. He's a very crazy bear, you know. And the Lemmings are very cute. I saw he looks like a hamster.
Okay, it's coming soon, the Chinese New Year, 2022. So we wish, what we say when the Chinese New Year comes? Gong?
Can't see my giant.
Gong Si Fan Chai! Have a great New Year 2022, Year of Tiger.
And
And?
also, I don't know, the sister I saw is on the BMW.
Oh yeah, BMW.
And go next video. Up here, you see the I know. It's the BMW, the old version. It's 2019 January. And okay,
They celebrate the Chinese New Year. Gong Si Fan Chai.
go up there, press to see the
video.
BMW.
Yeah.
A BMW video.
Yeah, you can see the Chinese New Year.
Yes, it's up there. You see it?
You
Okay.
see a bit up. The video go up.
Yes.
The old version, 20 January 2019.
Yes. And up.
Is it January 2019? Yeah.
I think so.
Okay.
Okay, and thanks for watching.
Ah,
Bye.
Papa, look.
Hey, he looks like a zombie. Hey, he looks like a zombie.
What do you think? You must show her.
Hey,
Oh man.
hey. Oh, wait. Stop. Wait, stop. Go.
You know, next to you. Full of the flick. Okay. See you next time. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe.
Bye.
Press the like button and the bell.
And if you don't want to subscribe, I will come for you from 20 days. 20 days, I will come for you.
I will come for you if